Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we'll continue writing our simulation program in Python. In the last video, we wrote code to predict the bouncing of the ball from the right wall. We used Newton's third principle and our simple collision model. I will just run it for you to remember. Today, we'll use the same Newton's third law and the same collision model to resolve the bouncing from the left wall. The code is very similar with the bouncing from the right wall, so I will just copy this code, paste it here, and adjust it. So we have to check if x is smaller than the x of the left wall, that's at negative L, with an adjustment for the radius of the ball. Then if this is true, we'll have to apply the correction and say x is equal negative L plus R. Then Vx will change sign. Our Vx should be positive, so we'll have to remove the escape velocity. Okay, and then if our Vx ends up being negative, we'll make it 0. So that should be all. So I will save it and run it. So we are drawing the walls, we are drawing the ramp, we have the ball, Newton's third law and Newton's second law, normal force and gravity, just gravity, bouncing, third law from the right wall. It was third law from the floor. It will bounce again from the floor, so our collision model. And let's see, okay, bouncing from the left wall. And then it will keep bouncing and losing energy due to our collision model implementation. This ends the coding to compute bouncing from the left wall. Next video, we will work on computing the bouncing from the ceiling. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.